Yeah, viewers, yeah, subscribers, this is Newlink from Newlink Production. And viewers and subscribers, right now, Newlink are come with a sad news because the entertainment fraternity in Jamaica and the dancehall industry has lost another member. A true dancer who inspired many, who always there the event them from Passa Passa to Dirty Fridays to Hot Mondays to everywhere in Jamaica as a dancer. This man goes by the name Bone Crusher, or the dancer who you always see with the bandy leg them. Well, people, it is so sad when I got the news that Bone Crusher has died. And viewers and subscribers, the saddest thing about the death of this man is that this man was suffering with cancer, which the entertainment fraternity lack off. You understand? It's been lack off. You never see one day yet one of those dancers or the people we always a party with make a post about this man's illness. You understand? And maybe if them could have do something before, like do something for him where people know, them could have reached out to him and maybe in that live one more day longer with some treatment. But viewers and subscribers, it never happened. Because we see a lot of times, you know, when you're with them amongst these people in this entertainment industry, and them always did it with the right through your goodness, but in your downfall, you don't see them again. Just like what we see happened to the youth the other day, who passed and gone. You understand? That's Nico, Chromatic. People, we all have to understand this and be wise up. You understand? Through your glory on earth, when you did it, you have it. And when your time of needs, the people them not see you. So in the end, you have to prepare for the rainy day. Learn that the friends are there with you through your strongness and through your healthiness. But you don't fall, or when sickness come, most time you don't see them. Because viewers and subscribers, I Newlink was a true fan of this dancer. I always watch him in the dance them. Even when I go to a party in Kingston and I see this man, I always watching him because him full of moves and him skill with him ball, him bandy leg them. But viewers and subscribers, it's just sad to know that, you know, a dancer has gone. And no, many people never know. It's surprising to me because even when I got some pic there and see how this man lose so much weight, and this man was a big body built man. You understand? And when I see it drop down, and as I can see in a few of the pics them, how him lose down him weight, people, it's just sad for know. You get me? People, we all on earth know this one day we not gonna be here. No care what fun we have, no care what money we have on earth. One day we are gonna leave them. So you know what we do? Love each and one and each and every one of us. Just love, show care. You understand? Don't hate nobody, no grudge nobody, no envy nobody. Because no matter if you have 10 cars, you have 10 mansion, you have the highest money in the bank account, you have a girlfriend, viewers and subscribers, one day you are going to leave them and you can't carry it with you. You get me? So viewers and subscribers, this is Newlink, you know, from Newlink Production, and I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family of Bone Crusher and to all of the entertainment fraternity who is mourning the loss of this young man. You know, I really do this one from my heart because Jah know people, I feel it for this man. May his soul rest in peace, and to God be the glory. This is Newlink.